Hello, folks. Today we are going to tackle a song that we probably have learned before. It's called Teddy Bear. We learned that before, right? But today we're going to tackle this song from a different aspect. But before the new thing arrives, we are going to review the song first in case that you might have forgotten. So, our old trick listen and repeat. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Let's put those two together. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Awesome. And guess what? That is the only part of the song we'll be working with today. Yeah, it's a long song, right? And we will only be working with these two sentences. So, this is what I have for you today. Let's pretend that it's 4 words written. Do these seem familiar to you? Yes, we have learned that before, right? These are different notes. And when notes are written, we call this notation. And that's how we read music. What are these two little things? They are called eighth notes. Yes, they are a circle, like a little spoon, but with a little tail on its back. And what is this? This is a quarter note. And what is this? This is an empty circle. This is a half note. That's right. Who can tell me the relation between an eighth note and a quarter note? 2 eighth notes equals 1 quarter note, right? And what about a quarter note and a half note? That's right. 1 quarter note is half of a half note. So a half note is 2 quarter notes. So, seeing how this is written, can anyone notice something that they don't recognize? What are these little vertical lines here? Now, this is an important part of music notation. When you see these vertical little lines, they are separating measures. This here is a little measure. Measures are an important part of music notation. So let's just look at this one measure and the thing that it encased. It has 1 quarter note and 2 eighth notes inside it. So let's say that one beat, remember keeping a steady beat? Let's say that one beat equals 1 quarter note. How many beats would there be inside this little measure? 2 beats, right? Because 2 eighth notes equals 1 quarter note. So we have 2 beats inside this measure, and 1 quarter note equals 1 beat. So there we have, see this little number, a 2 and a 4. We have the 2/4 meter. That means we're using a quarter note as 1 beat, and there are 2 beats inside this measure. And that makes the 2/4 beat. All right, so now that we know that, let's do a little musical activity. I want half of you to sing Teddy Bear, while the other half will be singing. No, actually, you will be just saying 1, 2, 1, 2, which means you are keeping the steady beat. Let's try, all right? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Teddy bear, turn around. All right, so now that we have learned the song Teddy Bear in a new light, and we have learned the 2/4 meter, let's try to do some extension. Let's see if you can handle this. Let's try, all right? So let's still say that a quarter note is one beat, and we know what a measure is. So now let's look at this. This is one measure, and how many quarter notes does it have? It has four, right? So what type of meter might this be? Four beats. One quarter note is a beat. Yes, this is called the 4/4 meter. What are some songs that we might know that is in 4/4 meter? Let's try keeping a steady pulse for that. All right? One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. One, two, three, four. So Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star would be a typical song that has a 4/4 meter. All right, let's extend that a little bit further. All right, let's try this. This is a measure which has three quarter notes. What kind of meter would that be? Right, this is a 3/4 meter, right? So let's try keeping a steady beat for that. One, two, three. One, two, three. It's a little tricky. One, two, three. And what songs might we know that has a 3/4 meter? One, two, three. One, two. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Two, three. Happy Birthday would be a typical song in a 3/4 meter. So that is our basic introduction to the common meters that we see in songs.